Hi there and welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video I'll show you how to replace the display PCB on your Hoover Tumble dryer. If you find that the start button or any of the other functions are not working on your Hoover Tumble dryer, it's highly likely that the printed circuit board or PCB has failed. Let's take a look. To carry out this replacement, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 7mm socket. You'll also need a new display PCB, which we'll include a link to in the description below. Now remember, safety first. Make sure your machine is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. You'll need to remove the top of the tumble dryer by undoing the 3 screws that hold it in place using your 7mm socket. Next, you'll need to remove the water container by simply pulling it out of the top of the machine. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, undo the 2 screws that hold the control panel in place. Then remove the control knob from the control panel using your flathead screwdriver. Just put it behind, gently prise it off. Next, we need to remove the electrical connections from the PCB and the back of the control knob. What I'm going to do is just take a photo of the wiring so that when I put it back, I'm putting it back in the right place. Once you've removed all the electrical connections, you can then unscrew the 2 screws using your Phillips head screwdriver that hold the PCB in place and take it out. Once all the electrical connections are removed from the display PCB, you can simply push these 2 tabs back and then lift the PCB out. When it comes to fitting a new PCB to your tumble dryer, you'll need to make sure you have the right part for your machine. To do this, you're going to need the model number of your tumble dryer. Now, if you don't know what this is or where to find it, don't worry. Check out our video here on how to find the model number of your tumble dryer to get in the know. You can now grab your brand new PCB, and to fit, simply put it underneath the clips on one side and push down until it clicks into place. Using the photo I took as a guide, I can then reconnect the electrical connections. You can then push the control panel back into place and refit the 2 screws you took off earlier. Push the water container back into position, and then finally refit the top of the tumble dryer and put back in the 3 screws you took out at the beginning. So there we have it, 1 new display PCB fitted to this Hoover Tumble dryer. Now that your machine is back in shape, it's important to make sure that you're using the machine properly, both in terms of any future issues and your own safety. Check out our video on tumble dryer safety advice that will teach you all you need to know about making the most of your tumble dryer safely. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, for all repair guides, maintenance advice, and all other things relating to e-spares. Thanks for watching.